Hello, sixth grade. Today we are working on reading ratio tables. It says complete the front and back side of your homework to the best of your ability and watch this video in Schoology if you get stuck. One thing I noticed right away is that it says use the table to write each ratio in colon form. So that means I'm going to find each 2 and write a colon. Here's a 2. Colon, and here's a 2, colon. Okay, now I'm going to look at the ratio words, and I see in front it says Titans wins. So if I go over to my table, yep, it says baseball team stats up there. It doesn't really matter if you don't know very much about baseball. What we're looking for is the Titans wins. So here's the Titans column. Here's the wins row. So this spot where they match, that's the number we're going to write. I'll highlight that again. We're going to write this 12. So where it says Titans wins, I'm going to write 12. Right? Then I'm going to change my color to Titans losses. Right? So let's see, Titans losses. So again, here's Titans, and here's losses. So this time they cross at that 14. All right, so I'm going to write 14 where it says Titans losses. Now, it does not say to write it in simplest form, right? But in class, we talked about writing it as a fraction, 12/14. And then those are both even numbers, so I can divide them both by 2. Use this one. Divide by 2 is 6. Divide by 2 is 7. So that means I could write this as 6:7. All right, let's try the next one. Get rid of my highlighting here. All right, the next one says Orioles, try this again. Orioles losses, here we go. Here's Orioles, here's losses. So we're looking at this 15. Right, 15 here, 15. 2 on the other side, let's use purple. Orioles wins. So Orioles wins. So now that number looks like 9. Right, 9 underneath Orioles wins. And just like in the first problem, we're going to write it as a fraction and we can simplify. So we have 15 on top of 9. Whoa, 9 equals... And this time I notice that they're both odd numbers, so I'm going to try to divide by 3. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. All right, 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. Do not make this be a mixed number, because it's not really a fraction, because the denominator is not a total. So I'm going to rewrite this as 5:3. Right, 5 on the top, and then 3 on the bottom. All right, last one. Orioles wins to Titans wins. So here's Orioles wins first. Orioles wins. That number looks familiar. That was 9. Okay, highlight that again. So we'll write 9. And then on the other side, we'll use gray. Titans wins. So here's Titans and wins. Looks like 12. All right, so I'll write 12 next. 12. Great. And then if we write that as a fraction, 9 on the top, 12 on the bottom. All right, one of them is odd, so we'll try to divide by 3 again. Divide by 3 is 3. Divide by 3 is 4. So that means this fraction is 3 to 4. All right, so that's the first problem. The next one is really similar, right? Not about baseball. It's about my homeroom and Ms. Hare's homeroom, right? So do the best work you can, right? It does say to write it as a fraction, right? So please simplify those answers as well. All right, we'll see you in class tomorrow.